This is the program to sort a list of n elements using the selection sort technique. Enter the limit of elements. These three statements are to input and print the elements. Selection sort is the function has the parameter elements. That elements we have to arrange ascending order. Definition of the function contains I and j loops, one condition checking and swapping elements. Our input value is 20, 30, 10, 50. Initially I is equal to first value 20. J is equal to I plus 1, that is 30. We have to search the min value to do the sort. First our min value is I, that is 20. Next checking the min and j, when condition is get true, that value we have to swap I and min. We have to swap I and min. Again I increment value is 30. J is equal to I plus 1, that is 20. Min and I is equal. Checking the min and j, 20 is less than 30, yes. Then update the min value and swap with I. At last, I is equal to 50. No change in j. No value in j, so no change. Then last we get the sorted array.